Hi friends, welcome to the infoxist. If you are experiencing problems like this, if I tap on your reels, so it shows reel not available. So in this video I will show you how to get rid of this. So watch this video till the end without skipping a second. First of all, I'm going to show you how these tricks works on iPhone. So without wasting the time, go back and open your app store first. After that, search here Instagram. You can see my Instagram application has already been updated. So if your Instagram application not updated, try to update your Instagram application, and after that open your chat section and see if this trick works for you or not. If doesn't work, then again go back and tap and hold on your Instagram application, and after that tap on remove. After removing your application, go to your app store again and search here Instagram. Download again this application, and after that tap on chat section here. Again open your chat. You can see now reels are visible to me. Let me see in the comment section if these tricks works for you or not. If you are experiencing the same problem on your Android phone, so I have already uploaded this video on my channel. Do visit to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.